Ladies and gentlemen, it's Dr. Earl from Brundage World. And we have Sister Leelay.
From Brundage World!
Yes!
And Jalisa. Jalisa from Brundage.
Jalisa! And we got last but not least, Earlito.
And we just got finished tubing.
We're gonna do it again so y'all can see. Oh! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're at Lakeridge Ski Resort. And Jalisa and Leelay are going up the ski slopes. Let's go. We got my man Brody out here.
What's up? How are we?
We all right. Earlito, tell them what's up, baby. We out here. We live. I think we're in Uxbridge. We left Toronto, and I think we're in Uxbridge right now. And there's plenty Uxbridge. There's plenty of snow out here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are at Lakeridge Ski Resort. We are from Miami, Florida. We've never seen this much snow all in one place. Check this out. How cool is that? You got people on the other side. They're skiing. We're not skiing today, and probably never. Yeah. Check it out. Look at the views, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the views. Check out the white boots. Let's go. Brundage World out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is probably the coolest part of Lakeridge. Oh!
Oh yeah!
Let's go! Hold me, I'm gonna hold you.
Are you holding on? Early?
Earl, hold on to Jalisa.
Perfect.
Jalisa, hold Earl.
I'm ready.
You guys ready?
All right, baby, we go down the slope. One more time, let's go! You not ready yet? Okay, we not ready yet. Hold on. Everybody holding on?
Ready? Yes.
All right.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3, let's go! Brundage World! Brundage World! Brundage World! Yeah, baby. And that's how you do it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is our last snow tube round, baby. Let's go! Brundage World. Brundage World.